Hi, my name is Steve Smith. This is my wife, Devin Smith. We met back when we were 19 years old. We will be married 32 years, August 17th. This wedding ring that we chose was kind of her picking. We were at a Zales in Fort Dodge, Iowa. We went to this store and I asked her to pick out the ring. She said, I like the looks of this one, and I proposed to her right then and there after she picked out her wedding ring.
In a parking lot.
In a parking lot. So then it's been 30 some years later, and we did our 25th anniversary. We had bought some different rings we wanted to add to the ring. That's why we're here. Updated a little bit, even though it wasn't really outdated. I mean, it was just something.
Yeah.
Snazz it up a little bit, I guess.
I wasn't really nervous. I just wasn't sure, what I wanted at first. I mean, I had a general idea, but I wasn't sure. But we've always talked about we wanted to add on something on the side because I just felt like something is missing there. And then you did it. I mean, you did all of that. I think you're amazing. I mean, your work is so awesome.
Oh yeah, right away she was like, I like this ring. This is really cool.
I mean, you do, whatever designs you come up with, you've made it come to life. I mean, it's just so amazing how you're drawn to me. It's like, oh my gosh, I gotta go to you.
Devin, go ahead and open up your ring.
Go for it, here we go. Oh wow.
Oh wow. Oh wow, that's beautiful.
That turned out great.
Oh, I love it like it is.
Wow. Look how it's all filled in, that's awesome.
Oh wow, that's gorgeous.
Well, here we go. Slide down. Wow. Great job. I love how it just transitions, just smooth.
I love it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
It looks better than it originally did when we got it.
I like this a lot better. Now I feel like it's complete now.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I definitely will wear this every day. Okay, now we gotta work on the anniversary.
Give me a minute on
Yeah,
that. Take a leap of faith on what you have done from the pictures and the experience, from beginning to end. trust your judgment. I mean, if you're coming here to have a ring resized or redone based on what you've done in the past, I mean, that speaks volumes. And this is another one.
And it's not only your amazing work, you're also an amazing person.
Oh, very nice. I want to mention one. You're very nice, very personable.
You are just an amazing person, and I think you're phenomenal. You're creative, you're talented, and beautiful and smart. I mean, you are awesome.